Have you ever thought about having fresh herbs at your fingertips, regardless of the season? Welcome to the world of indoor herb gardening, a realm where convenience meets year-round freshness. It's not just about having a constant supply of basil, parsley, or thyme. It's about the joy and satisfaction of nurturing life within your own living space. Imagine, with a little effort, you can have your very own indoor herb garden. Exciting, isn't it? So, you're intrigued and want to start your indoor herb garden. Here's how to get started. The first step, and perhaps the most crucial, is to find the right location. Look for a spot that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Next, let's talk containers. Opt for ones with good drainage to prevent waterlogged roots. Now, it's time to choose your soil. A light, well-draining potting mix is ideal. Steer clear from garden soil as it tends to compact in containers. Once your pots are filled, it's time to plant. You can start from seeds or small plants depending on your preference. Watering is essential, but remember, less is more. Overwatering is a common cause of plant death. As for fertilizing, a slow-release organic fertilizer applied every few weeks should do the trick. And there you have it, your indoor herb garden is set up and ready to grow. Now that your indoor herb garden is set up, it's time to nurture it and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Regular care is key, so remember to water, prune, and harvest your herbs routinely. These little acts of love will ensure your garden thrives. And the best part? You can use these fresh herbs to elevate your culinary creations, adding a punch of flavor to your dishes. With a bit of care and attention, your indoor herb garden will provide you with fresh, flavorful herbs all year round. So what are you waiting for? Start your indoor herb garden today.